Meaning of headcheese.
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 Headcheese. Headcheese, also known as brawn or souse, is a cold-cut meat dish made from the head, feet, and sometimes tongue and heart of a pig or calf. The meat is simmered with herbs and spices, then set in gelatin to form a loaf. The dish is traditionally popular in European and Middle Eastern cuisine and has a strong flavor and texture. While it may not be everyone's cup of tea, those who enjoy headcheese often praise its unique taste and versatility, as it can be used in sandwiches, salads, and even as a pizza topping.